Assembly process for a 6x6 shade shed at Blockysupplies. A box containing all the components, neatly organized, is beside the frame. Welcome to Blockysupplies, where we make assembly a breeze. Today, we'll show you how simple it is to put together your 6x6 shade shed. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need, from screws to fixtures. Every component has been carefully included for your convenience. Assembly process begins as the frame is lifted and connected. Lay out the frame on a flat surface and start connecting the pieces. The steel frame is designed to be strong and sturdy, ensuring it lasts for years to come. As you can see, the assembly process is straightforward, with each part precisely designed for quick and hassle-free setup. And there you have it, a robust, reliable shade shed that's ready to provide shade, shelter, and peace of mind. If you're ready to get started or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Your shade shed journey begins here at Blockysupplies.